In the not-so-distant past, artificial intelligence was confined to the realm of science fiction. However, today, artificial intelligence has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and the world around us. In this video, we'll explore the real-world applications of artificial intelligence that have become an integral part of our everyday existence. 10. Smart assistants, your digital companions. Smart assistants, also known as digital companions, have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our everyday lives. These remarkable artificial intelligence-driven companions, including Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, have revolutionized the way we interact with technology. They've made it possible to have natural, conversational interactions with our devices. Whether it's answering questions, setting reminders, controlling our smart homes, or simply engaging in casual banter, smart assistants have become integral parts of our daily routines. They exemplify the power of artificial intelligence to understand our language and respond with relevant and timely information, making our lives more convenient and efficient. The era of digital companions has arrived, enhancing our interactions with technology and the world around us. 9. Recommendation systems, tailoring your content. Recommendation systems have transformed the way we consume content by tailoring it to our preferences and interests. These artificial intelligence-powered algorithms, employed by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify, analyze our past choices and behaviors to curate personalized recommendations. By delving into our viewing history, shopping patterns, or music selections, they offer content that aligns with our tastes. This not only simplifies the content discovery process, but also keeps us engaged by introducing us to new and relevant options we might not have found otherwise. In essence, recommendation systems are the silent but effective curators of our digital experiences, demonstrating how artificial intelligence can significantly enhance our engagement with the vast array of content available in the digital age. 8. Artificial intelligence in healthcare, diagnosis and treatment assistance. Artificial intelligence in healthcare is revolutionizing the field by providing invaluable assistance in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Machine learning algorithms have the capability to analyze medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, with incredible precision, aiding healthcare professionals in detecting and identifying abnormalities that might go unnoticed. Additionally, artificial intelligence-powered chatbots and virtual healthcare assistants are simplifying the process of seeking medical advice, enabling patients to access quick, reliable information and even schedule appointments. This amalgamation of human expertise with artificial intelligence's data processing capabilities has the potential to not only enhance the speed and accuracy of diagnosis, but also to make healthcare more accessible and efficient for individuals, marking a significant advancement in patient care and medical practices. 7. Autonomous vehicles, redefining transportation. Autonomous vehicles are ushering in a new era of transportation, redefining the way we move from one place to another. These self-driving cars, once a dream of science fiction, are rapidly becoming a reality. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence and sensor technology, companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the way in developing vehicles that can perceive their surroundings, make complex decisions, and navigate safely on the road. This not only holds the promise of reducing traffic accidents and congestion, but also has the potential to transform the very concept of car ownership. As autonomous vehicles continue to evolve, they offer the prospect of more efficient and convenient transportation, with the potential to reshape urban planning and the way we think about mobility. The integration of artificial intelligence in transportation is on the verge of making our roads safer, more efficient, and ultimately, more accessible for everyone. 6. Language translation, breaking down barriers. Language translation powered by artificial intelligence is breaking down communication barriers in an increasingly interconnected world. Services like Google Translate have made it possible to overcome language differences and access information from all corners of the globe. These artificial intelligence-driven tools can translate text, speech, and even signs in real time, facilitating international travel, enabling cross-cultural communication, and making the internet a more inclusive space. As the world becomes more interconnected, artificial intelligence language translation not only eases communication, but also promotes cross-cultural understanding, business expansion, and educational access. In this digital age, language is no longer an obstacle, thanks to artificial intelligence's role in making the world a more accessible and interconnected place. 5. E-commerce and fraud detection. Secure shopping. E-commerce and fraud detection are integral partners in the world of online shopping, ensuring secure and trustworthy transactions for consumers and businesses alike. Artificial intelligence-driven fraud detection systems employ machine learning algorithms to analyze transaction data in real time, identifying anomalies and potential fraudulent activities. By monitoring purchase patterns, flagging suspicious behavior, and validating transactions, these systems add a layer of security that safeguards sensitive financial information and prevents fraudulent transactions. This not only instills confidence in online shoppers, but also protects e-commerce platforms from financial losses and reputational damage. In an era where online shopping is the norm, the integration of artificial intelligence in fraud detection has become essential in ensuring the security and integrity of digital transactions, contributing to a safer and more reliable e-commerce experience. 4. Environmental monitoring. Saving our planet. Environmental monitoring, empowered by artificial intelligence, plays a pivotal role in the collective efforts to preserve and protect our planet. With the help of artificial intelligence algorithms, massive datasets related to climate change, wildlife behavior, deforestation, and other environmental indicators are analyzed to track, predict, and understand complex ecological patterns. This invaluable data equips scientists, policymakers, and environmentalists with crucial insights into the state of our planet and guides evidence-based decisions and strategies to combat climate change, conserve ecosystems, and ensure sustainable resource management. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence in environmental monitoring, we are taking significant strides towards safeguarding the Earth and mitigating the impact of human activities, emphasizing the crucial role of technology in our commitment to preserving the natural world. 3. Entertainment and gaming. Immersive experiences. Artificial intelligence has transformed the entertainment and gaming industry by ushering in an era of immersive experiences. In the world of video games, artificial intelligence is used to create lifelike characters and adapt gameplay to the skills and preferences of individual players, resulting in personalized and engaging gaming adventures. This technology has extended to entertainment beyond gaming as well, with artificial intelligence-generated content and virtual reality experiences that offer users a deeper level of immersion and interactivity. Whether it's experiencing an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot in a narrative-driven game or enjoying virtual reality simulations, artificial intelligence is fundamentally altering how we engage with entertainment, making it more dynamic, customized, and captivating than ever before. This evolution is indicative of how artificial intelligence can enhance the way we experience and interact with entertainment content, delivering a more immersive and enjoyable experience for audiences. 2. Social media and content moderation. Safer online spaces. Social media and content moderation powered by artificial intelligence have become essential tools for maintaining safe and inclusive online spaces. Artificial intelligence algorithms are deployed to monitor and moderate content on social media platforms, identifying and flagging hate speech, bullying, misinformation, and other harmful content. This not only ensures a healthier online environment, but also protects users from the negative consequences of online harassment and the spread of false information. With the sheer volume of content shared on social media daily, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in automating the process and enabling rapid response to problematic content. While challenges remain in striking the right balance between moderation and free speech, artificial intelligence-powered content moderation has become an invaluable component of creating safer and more responsible online communities. 1. Energy management. Efficient resource use. Artificial intelligence in energy management is revolutionizing the way we use and conserve resources. Smart energy solutions equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms, such as smart thermostats and grid optimization systems, can learn and adapt to user preferences, creating more efficient and eco-friendly energy consumption patterns. These technologies not only save consumers money, but also contribute to reducing overall energy consumption and carbon emissions on a larger scale. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to manage energy, we are taking significant strides towards a more sustainable and responsible use of resources, ensuring a more energy-efficient and environmentally conscious future. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.